हेलो एवरीवन। वेलकम टू एसपी ट्यूटोरियल। इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं अबाउट टिप्स ऑन हाउ टू स्कोर बेस्ट इन बायोलॉजी। मतलब कि बायोलॉजी को कैसे याद करें और मतलब कि कैसे उसे अच्छे से पढ़ सकते हैं और कैसे बायोलॉजी को अच्छे से याद करके हम एग्ज़ाम्स में अच्छे मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकते हैं। सो इट इज़ द इफ़ेक्टिव वे टू लर्न द बायोलॉजी। ओके, सो लेट्स गो अहेड। पहली टिप जो है हमारे पास वो ये है कि टू अवॉइड गेटिंग बोर्ड बाय स्टडिंग एंड ऑल्सो टू इंगेज योर सेल्फ इन बायोलॉजी, रीड आउट लाउड. Okay, I think that this is one of the best way to memorize anything, and biology is all about memorizing lots of things. Okay, so try to read out loud. Okay, and try to learn that thing, whatever topic you are studying, try to read out loud and try to memorize that topic. Okay, so first read the entire topic, then try to memorize it, and then try to repeat it few times. Okay, so in this way you will be able to just engulf that entire topic. Okay, also when we read anything, especially the subject like biology, it sounds to be very boring. So in order to make it interesting, read out loud and try to memorize it. Okay, next tip is make flashcards or tables for important topics. Best way to memorize important topics is to make flashcards or simply make tables, or you can just write it in your copy. Okay, this will help you during revision, during exams when you have lots of syllabus to complete. These flashcards will help you to complete topics very fast. Okay, tip number 3, that try to learn things by making mnemonics. Okay, for example, keep pots clean or family gets sick. In biology, we learn this entire sequence of kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Okay, so we can learn this entire with the help of the simple line that keep pots clean or family gets sick. Okay, so try to make such mnemonics and try and then learn your important terminology or your important some series in biology. Okay, if you have to learn anything or if you have to learn very difficult terminology, then try to relate it with something or try to learn it with the help of some mnemonics. This will be very helpful during exams. Okay, yeah, when you are sitting in the exam hall, then you will remind that okay, particular series, you will remind that okay, terminology very easily with the help of okay, this mnemonics, yeah, with the help of any mnemonics, okay, that you have made. Okay, so this is the tip number 3. Tip number 4, try to study by relating with diagrams. Try making labeled diagrams for different questions wherever possible. So this is the best way. If you are reading any topic, say human digestive system, first read entire human digestive system once and then try to relate whatever you have read with diagram. You will find that you have understood the entire topic. Okay, you have understood the important terminology. Okay, also in exams try to make label diagrams for different questions. This will make your answer look more attractive. Many times it happens that teacher after looking at the diagram think that the student knows the entire answer. Okay, and he is even not interested in reading the entire okay answer. Even looking at the label diagram, he becomes so impressed that he just award the student with the full marks. Okay, so this is regarded as the best way of presenting answers in biology exams. Then tip number 5, use flow diagrams for answering. This will make your answer look more attractive and more appropriate. Okay, so we can say that use of flow diagrams for answering, using flow diagrams for answering will make your answer look very impressive and also will give you the idea about the points you have to explain in detail. Okay, so this was it, that always use flow diagrams for answering. Okay, then tip number 6, teaching yourself or your friends. Once you have learned any particular topic, try to teach that topic to your friends or to yourself. Okay, yeah. This will have several advantages to you. First, it will help you to revise entire topic. Second, your concepts about the topic becomes more clear. Okay, so next time whenever anyone asks you about okay, any topic, try to elaborate that topic to that person. Okay, try to, okay, teach them as much as you know. Okay, so it will revise all your concepts. Okay, then we are on tip number 7, that frequent revisions. Revisions are must. Whatever you have studied, say an entire week, okay, try to revise it frequently. You can use your own flashcards, or even if not flashcards, you use highlighter to highlight only important topics in your textbook, so that when you revise, you need to revise only that important part, only that highlighted part of any particular topic. So this is the tip number 7, that frequent revisions are must to memorize anything for a long time. Tip number 8, test yourself. At last, test yourself. It is very important to test yourself frequently, that whatever you have read, is it clear to you or not. So don't forget to test yourself frequently. And also, before going to take any major exam, say a board exam, please do practice. Okay, previous year papers are very important. This will give you idea about important questions that are likely to be asked in exam, so that you prepare yourself with all those questions very nicely. Okay, so these are some of the tips by which you can study biology effectively, and you can score very well in biology. I hope so you all like the video, and that's it. I hope so these tips are really helpful to you all. Thank you very much.